Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is April the 28th. My journey 250k. I'm currently at 142,031, so up by about 0.6% for the day, which is about 900. For the past week, up by about 5.9%, which is about 7,900. For the past month, up by about 5.4%, which is about 7,300. The past 3 months, down by about 15%, which is about 25,700. And for the past year, up by about 50%, which is about 47,500. So if you're new to this channel, join me in this journey. I'll show you how I'm growing this account as well as the subscriber base. So turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time we do an upload, which is every single day. Also, give the video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that we can grow it even faster. We'll go straight to it. But before talking about the stock in question, NIO, I want to touch base on Pinterest. They had earnings, so I had a put yesterday evening, which did pretty well. I think I put in 81 bucks. I got 192. So that's why you see a notification here that it was down 12%. That was a good calculated guess, just because earnings are a bit tricky, but for the most part the market reacts the opposite in direction. So that's what I did, but I wouldn't advise anybody doing that for the most part, because it's usually a gamble with earnings. So let's go straight to it. NIO, ticker symbol NIO, currently at 41.47, so up by about 0.6% for the day. For the week, up by about 6.4%. For the month, 17.6%. Past 3 months, down by about 28%. For the first year, up by about 1,120%. So I still maintain the original positions, 150 shares at average cost of 31.36. We've been in this play when it was below $3, recent repeated, so we averaged up, but I want to maintain this for a bit the long term. I'll be doing covered calls as soon as it shoots up and there's a little bit more volatility to get some free money for the premium. So right now I can see the volume's pretty decent, 25 million, market cap of 58.8. You can see the 52-week high is 66, so we have a long way to go to get there. What do we need to get to that point? One, the chip shortage has to ease in. So once that's done, we can see the price moving upwards. Two, companies like Tesla have also to do very well, because some companies just do better in form of association with the overall industry. So Tesla is the leader, so when they do really well, most of these others EVs will actually follow suit. So that's another thing. The other thing is their version 2 battery swap station is actually taking shape. They've started building them all over the place in China. I've actually checked videos in YouTube whereby they show how that's working, and it's actually decent. I think the time is a bit longer than they estimated, so they're working on that. So the other thing to notice is they have their earnings coming up. So what do we expect? They might talk about expansion in Europe, probably Norway. The analysts giving it a 61% buy out of the 18, 33% hold and 6% sell. So after hours tomorrow we'll see how that goes, but today we have some big news from the Fed when they will do their policy update, so be aware of that when trading. I expect the stock to consolidate at least in the $41 to $43 range until the late in the afternoon, when things might go a little bit crazy, just because we will be seeing how the market reacts either after hours or just before closing, anticipating what the Fed will say. I believe they won't change much, but we'll see how that goes. Where do I see this stock long term? We've said this will probably double by the end of the day. We'll have some good direction of it doubling at the end of the year. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for reaching this far. Really appreciate your support. Use the links below to get some free stock to support the channel. Be green, be safe. See you in the next one. Bye.